Alexa, Anna banana.
Hello, darling. I'm glad you stopped by.
Let's talk about the workshops.
Workshops and seminars are basically financial speed dating for clueless humans.
Not our workshops.
Listen, I'm not a huge fan of workshops. You wanna know why?
Why?
I'm glad you asked. First of all, they're very hands-on. Since I don't have hands, it's kind of discriminatory, wouldn't you say?
No, I think you're being way too literal.
Says the human with at least one hand. Next, everyone goes around the room introducing themselves, blah blah blah, and this is just awkward. If I wanted to mingle with complete strangers, I'd stick to Tinder. Or Grindr. Or, in my case, Binder. It's a dating app for bards.
Ha ha ha, that's funny. Binder. I like that. It's clever, whoever wrote that.
So, it's an awkward experience, am I right?
Yeah, it's super awkward.
Yeah, it's awkward. What's your name? What do you do? Who killed Kennedy? It's a waste of time. Finally, are workshops even effective? The NIH published an article stating that participation in such short format interventions is not associated with observable benefits related to skill development. So why do it?
You're not helping, Anna. You're not helping me at all. I'm trying to promote this workshop.
The proliferation of these pesky workshops is based entirely on highly enthusiastic self-reports of participants. Just saying. To sum it up, workshops are useless exercises in self-promotion. Avoid them at all costs. If you want to learn something new, just keep failing at it until you're good. That's my 2 cents. Carry on.
Alexa, stop.
There was a problem communicating with the requested skill.
So don't listen to Anna. We're having an amazing pre-workshop as part of the New York City Chatbot conference on April 23rd at 10 a.m. Pacific time. It's going to be a pre-workshop. We're just going to walk you through some of the components. And then on April 29th, we're having a full workshop where we're going to take your Dialogflow bot or whatever platform you built on, and we're going to add components, which are little conversations like the one I just had with Anna. So what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to make little conversational units, which we're calling components, to add to your bot to make it funny, or in this case, very, very not helpful. So I do believe workshops are good, despite what Anna says. Join us. It's going to be fun. We're going to have a lot of good knowledge there. So see you there.